But that's pretty clear, that's blackface. Whatever marshmallow candy this is, that's f***ing racist. Welcome back to the Rim Vlog. Welcome back to day number 4 of Project LBC, the Long Beach cleanup. 4 days in a row, and I am exhausted. Crackhead trying to ask me for some cigarettes. Look, I don't smoke. Do I look like I smoke? Alright, so I smoked a little bit this morning, but that's besides the point. The whole waking up part sucks. It really does. But once I get down here, and it feels like this, and it looks like that, it makes it worthwhile. You don't even feel mad anymore that you woke up at 6 in the morning. Day number 4 couldn't be any nicer. Well, I mean, it could be a little bit nicer. I could be out here in shorts and no shirt. You get this beautiful sky, and you get this awful beach. Alright, so for today, I'm gonna start right over in this little area where the bums and the transients like to hang out. They like to hang out there, but they don't like to clean up. So maybe my first snafu of the day. It's starting to drizzle, and I forgot my raincoat. Shit. So cloud situation. There's a lot of them. There's a lot of dark clouds over here. They look like rainy clouds. I might be a little f***ed, and by f***ed, I might be getting a little wet here in a minute. So it's only really drizzled so far. I'm a little damp, but I'm not too bad. But I bring you this break to bring you my first fun find of the day. My first fun find of the day is some candy that I found. Actually, not candy, but the wrapper that I found. And I swear, I couldn't even make this up, but it's called marshmallow with chocolate coating. I'm just gonna let you take a look at this, and then you tell me what you think. Now call me crazy, but I'm pretty sure that's blackface, right? The big accentuated red lips, the black face. I mean, sure, maybe they might be able to get away with it because the thing has blue eyes. For whatever reason, it has blue eyes. But that's pretty clear, that's blackface. Whatever marshmallow candy this is, that's f***ing racist. Alright, back to work. So one thing I didn't expect to find while cleaning up the beach is money. But look at that. That's exactly what I found. I'm gonna put that and play the lottery with that dollar. Just filled up bag number 2. Also filled up bucket number 1. Just like how I did yesterday, it's just plastic straws, bottle caps, and lids for to-go drinks. That's all that is. And it's filled up, just like that. This bag is all plastic straws, bottle caps, and plastic lids. have just completed bag number 3. I also almost completely filled this up again. There's a lot of this shit out there. Bag number 3, bam, 1 to go. Second one of the buckets, so I got my 4 bags, and I think that's going to conclude today. Today was another success. Thank you for joining me once again. This has been the Rim Vlog. I've got 3 more days of my goal to hit 7 straight days of coming out here and cleaning up the beach. Please hit the like button, subscribe, tell a friend, maybe they could tell a friend. Day 4 in the books. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.